Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Andreea. I'm a professional makeup artist based in Paris, and in today's video I'm going to try the new lipstick shades from YSL, the Rouge Volupte Shine Burning Chilies collection. I've been talking about this lipstick before, but they have new shades. When they reached out, they were asking if I want to do this and show you guys some new colors. So I've also purchased concealers, so I'm going to talk about the difference between Touche Éclat high cover concealer and the Touche Éclat, the original one, and basically show you how I've created this look using no foundation. So let's get into it. Starting with the YSL Touche Éclat high cover concealer, and I've been meaning to try this for a while now because I love the original formula. I've tried this before on stories I showed you guys, but I haven't showed you here on YouTube. Now, the original Touche Éclat, it's a fantastic product. I feel like a lot of brands were trying to copy that product because it's a lightweight concealer, super lightweight concealer. It's also brightening and light reflecting, really beautiful. This one, it's in the color 1.5, and I wanted to apply it before foundation. I don't even know if I'm gonna use foundation, to be honest. I feel like my skin is looking pretty good. It's creamy, very creamy. Like as soon as you spread this product, it feels like an expensive moisturizer, like an expensive eye cream. I wouldn't expect less from YSL. I think they have killed it with the Touche Éclat. I have here the original formula of Touche Éclat. This is in 2.5, and because it's a little bit darker, I'm gonna use this here and there. Now, I don't want to brag, but there is really nothing to cover. I just have very thin skin, so you can see, like, that's why my skin is not even. Looking at my skin right now, it's because I get to see all these little veins. My skin being so thin, you could see the veins. So really, I do not need a lot of product to even out my skin. A little bit around the nose. I feel like around the nose, and then right here is where, you know, it makes a big difference if I apply a little bit of concealer or some foundation. This area is pretty dry usually, right? So you have to make sure you exfoliate regularly. Next is the YSL All Hours Setting Powder. I'm trying to figure out the color. I think it's B20. I only like to use this in the middle of the face. Too much powder will make the skin look very lifeless. And the same goes for the under eyes. If you're using too much powder, it's gonna look weird. That's the thing about the powder. You have to use the right amount for you. I've slightly applied some powder bronzer just to warm up the skin. Let's do a baby wing with the YSL eyeliner. This is the first time I'm trying it. This is what I call a baby wing. You see, it's a little flick. Then the mascara. You know that I like to push my lashes up like this. This time I'm going to go more on a side, like so. Let me teach you a trick. I don't know if this happens to you, but my lashes sort of go down, like lower than the corner of my eye, which makes my eye look a little bit droppy. And I feel like when I apply mascara, it emphasizes that even more. So what I like to do is pinch the product off my last lash, the one that makes my eye look a bit droppy. Let me do the same in here. You know, I've always did this ever since I was a teenager, but it never occurred to me that someone else might have this problem, and it never even occurred to me to share this sort of like trick. But it's something that I do whenever I want my eyes to look a little bit more like this. Without mascara on the lower lashes, I feel naked. So I'm gonna do some mascara on the lower lashes only with the tip of the wand. Now it's time to spice up your lips with the new Rouge Volupte Shine Burning Chilies lipsticks. They have new shades, okay? I've been talking about this lipstick before. This is like skincare for your lips with the most luxurious feeling ever. This lipstick is 65% oils, including macadamia oil and pomegranate extract. It's a fantastic lipstick. I got 3 colors from the Burning Chilies collection. I got 123, 124, and 127. First time I'm trying this color. And look at the packaging. I mean, YSL, ladies and gentlemen, so gorgeous, so gorgeous. Why does this feel so good? You get the comfort of a lipstick, the shine of a gloss, and the hydration of a super nourishing lip balm. This feels amazing. If you love, of course, hydrating, high shine lipsticks, this is 124. I could be going to the school, I could be going to the office, I could go run errands. It's that type of lipstick that goes it with everything, anywhere, anytime. This color in particular. This is 122. It looks very dark in the packaging. Don't be fooled by that. It's not gonna be as dark on the lips. This color reminds me of another beautiful formula lipstick from YSL, the Slim Matte. They have something similar in matte as well. You see, this is the type of lipstick that it's like a brownish, reddish, the type of lipstick that will make your teeth look whiter. And you wouldn't think that because it's a warm undertone, but there's just something about it. It's really, really beautiful. I'm thinking like if you would be super, super fair, obviously this is going to be a little bit darker on you, but still very, very beautiful and present, but not in an aggressive way. If you are light, medium, it's gonna look absolutely gorgeous on you. And if you're deep, rich skin tone, this is going to be like a beautiful nude on you. I mean, it's gonna look fantastic. You know who I would not see this working with? Although, you know, it's not a rule. But for example, if you're very, very fair, like if you're super, super fair, red undertone skin, and you have very, very blonde hair, like the northern typical blonde, I don't think this might be your color. And the last color is 127. I already know what this is gonna look like. It's not gonna be, you know, like a crazy red. If summer had a color and a texture and a name, it would be Rouge Volupte Shine in 127. This is gonna go perfectly with all my summer dresses, with all my flowery tops and skirts and all my white shirts and the tan and like a nice pair of sunglasses and grease and water and like seafood and just life, waiting for the life to begin this year. Alright guys, needless to say that this is my favorite color. I mean, I love reds, but this is a very, very special red because it's not matte, because it has this very shine, glossy finish. It makes it more wearable day and night. I wouldn't mind wearing this during the day, but with the hair like this, like I wouldn't I wouldn't polish the hair too much because then it looks like a little old. Okay, now I'm gonna go take some pictures. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you YSL for letting me be a partner. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. I'ma leave the door open, hoping that you say it and then what it just said enough. My house clean, dun, dun, my pool warm, smooth like a newborn. We should be dancing, romancing in the east wing and the west wing. You're my backing vocals. Come on, say, ooh, you're so good. No, you say you're so good as well. Oh, baby, don't keep me waiting.